Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make sweet onion baked chicken. This is the chicken and I'm using 2 pounds of chicken thighs. So I already cleaned the chicken, as you can see, nice and clean, and I washed it with lime and vinegar. So I pull back the skin of the chicken and I clean it up properly and wash it off in some lime and vinegar. Alright, this is the sweet onion dressing. This is the vinaigrette dressing that I will be using today in this recipe. Okay, I have some minced garlic here. This is 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I have 2 tablespoons of minced thyme, and I have half teaspoon of salt. In here I have chicken seasoning, black pepper, I have ginger powder, onion powder, and lemon seasoning. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to make the seasoning for the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mix this together. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to punch some holes through the chicken so the chicken will marinate properly, okay? Just like this. So you use the tip of your knife and you put some hole in the chicken. Alright? Make some hole like that. So the season will soak through properly. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season the chicken now. So here I'm pouring the marinade over the chicken. Just going to rub it on the chicken, pull the skin back, and coat the chicken all over. Okay? Okay, so make sure you coat the chicken properly. Or guys, you can do this overnight and set it in the refrigerator. It is even better that way if you do it from the night before. Okay. Okay guys, so now that I've finished seasoning the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken into the baking pan. Okay, 400 degrees. In the oven we go. 20 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes now since the chicken is in the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it out. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to make the base for the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to use my sweet onion vinaigrette dressing to make the base for the chicken. So to this, I am going to add lemon juice. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to add turmeric powder for the color. So the turmeric will help to give the chicken the desired color that I'm looking for. So I'm going to mix it together. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to baste the chicken. Okay guys, so the chicken is nicely coated. So I'm going to put back the chicken in the oven and I'm going to allow the chicken to cook for 25 to 30 minutes because these thighs are huge, so it needs extra time to cook through properly. So on 400 degrees, I will place back the chicken in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay? Okay. Alright. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes now. So the chicken is ready. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh wow, look at that. Bye guys.